The symmetry settings in Substance Painter are a bit hidden. First, to see the options above here, you'll have to have a paintable layer selected. In my case, a black mask is paintable. You can also have a paint layer. After that, you should see this scroll toolbar. If you click that a couple of times, you should see this symmetry option. If you click on this will turn on symmetry, and this icon will become clickable. Hovering the cursor above the object should show you a preview of where the symmetry would happen. The preview is a red colored dot usually. You can switch it the angle here. Now if we paint on top, the bottom layer will have the same thing. Undo that. Now we can switch to radial symmetry for making circular shapes. Default it should have come to 6 or something. You can increase the angle to make a half circle or full circle. If we paint, it makes a circular pattern. The only downside of the symmetry tool is you can only have one of these turned on at a time, which means when you have a circular symmetry, you cannot have it repeating the bottom side as well. If you have it set to repeat in the bottom, you cannot have radial symmetry. I can't really find a workaround for this. Now after you're done with symmetry painting, you can just click on this to deactivate it. That should be it.